Alright, it is July 24th. It's crazy. My birthday is Saturday. My brother's birthday is tomorrow. And I just got the drop on a rolling chassis MK4 Supra, originally left-hand drive. It's in a very, very, very rough shape, but it might just be the cheapest Supra in the country. And everyone says that, but I really think I got the cheapest titled Supra in the country. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's such a good deal.
All right, everyone, we are loading up. Same setup we used to go get my first Supra, we are using to go get the second one. Hopefully it's not a scam. I just got a bad feeling that this is a scam, you know what I mean? But we're about to figure this out. So yeah, let's go for a ride. Yo, what's good, guys? We're about an hour in. No change. We're making some cringy ass jokes in here. And yeah, so about to head into Columbus, and that'll be fun. But maybe we'll have an update. Maybe we'll stop and get some breakfast or something, man.
Ooh, Waffle House. Dude, it's literally my birthday.
Yeah, that's facts.
Nah, all I want for my birthday is a big booty.
Nah, but for real, it is Levi's birthday. Everyone say happy birthday, Levi, to my 3 viewers on here.
Yay! Cheer noise.
Alright. Maybe we'll stop and get some Chick-fil-A.
You made that?
Alright, everyone, we are actually posted up at a Harbor Freight. We got the Supra. Now, we had a little oopsie, and our buddy Alex's trailer kind of got bamboozled. So, unfortunate, but you know, shit happens. It's whatever. I've already hit Alex up. He's cool with it. We're temporarily fixing it right now. But here's a glimpse of the car, if you want to call it a car. Yeah, it's rough. So
This door.
what's up?
Not as rough as this door.
I take the door 10 times out of 10. So here's the deal. This thing was about to be converted into a drag car. Quarters super clean. Everything's just so clean on this car. Originally factory red turbo car. Ran the VIN. Everything's cool. It's a Targa car. Now, as you can tell, there's no freaking floor. So that is going to be the hardest part to source on this thing, is the floor pan. Especially how they cut it. It's going to be fun. But, you know, Levi's a kick-ass welder, and that's what the super groups are for, so it'll be fun. And the other shitty thing is this guy, years ago, back when it was cool to right-hand drive swap your cars, he started on that. Yeah, that's got to go. I'm about to order the left-hand drive firewall. There's one on eBay, and we'll cut that out, put this car back to stock. I will sell the right-hand drive rack. And as far as the core support, I'm going to see if someone has one. It's definitely doable. But if not, we can always go tubular. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing. This is exactly the car I wanted. Like, just a turd and needs everything. So this will be a fun YouTube series for sure. But Levi's, he was getting busy on the door here. I think we got it figured out. We're just
Ratchet strapping
ratchet
shut from the inside.
Yeah.
Thanks, Harbor Freight.
Yeah, shout out Harbor Freight. Always hooking us up. Alex, I'm sorry, dude. Then it's like the 5th time.
Every time we take his trailer, and like,
One time it literally slid off a ditch.
like, man, it's just unfortunate. Really unfortunate. So, sorry, Alex. I'll buy you a beer or something. I don't know. It's never easy doing this kind of stuff. Things don't always go as planned, and that was one of them. So, all right. Well, I'll catch y'all probably at home when I unload this turd. Just got done grubbing. The guys met me here. All right, everyone. It has been a couple days now, but we got the Supra in the garage. One of these crickets going crazy, and I figured I would just show y'all. Oh my gosh, bro! There we go. All right, I figured I would show y'all the whole situation.
Oh hell no, man! What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
For the most part, the body's pretty clean. Obviously missing like the bumper. Came with no interior, which that sucks. But it's a really clean roller. And the quarters are mint. I mean, like, these things, I could scuff them up and paint them right now. The doors are really clean. Comes with the mirrors, the fenders. The only sad part is they started cutting this up because it used to be a race car, and yeah, that means no floor pan. So unfortunately, I've got to figure out something with that. And one of the biggest problems is they decided to right-hand drive swap this car. So they cut out the firewall and started to embarrassingly weld the firewall in. So really dumb. They also started to put LS mounts in it. We're not doing that. Get those out of here. I already have a firewall on the way, so I'm excited to start tackling that. It needs the front core support, lower core support, and the headlight brackets. That's pretty cheap, I guess. Like, if you can find the upper, which I've already found one, then that's just like part of it. Obviously, no interior means no dash, no steering column, no windshield, no back glass. That's going to be hard to find. The windshield I'm not worried about. But yeah, guys, we got our work cut out for us. But this car is going to be so sweet when it's done. This is a factory turbo car. What more can you ask for? So I got the firewall on the way, and if you like this setup of like everything needs to be redone and you want to see the transformation, definitely subscribe, because we're doing it on here, long form content, and I want to ideally make like a building my Supra in 15 minutes video. So, the ones that always, they're so cool, like the time lapse, and I'm excited for that. So, all right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.